Hello mga ka-soldiers! So dahil tapos na tayo sa ating Titanic Studio Tour, pupunta naman tayo sa SS Nomadic. So kasama siya sa ticket na binook ko sa Get Your Guide sa Titanic Tour plus the SS Nomadic. So ano ba yung SS Nomadic? Ang SS Nomadic is a former tender of the White Star Line, launched on 25 April 1911 at Belfast. That is now on display in Belfast Titanic Quarter. She was built to transfer passengers and mail to and from the ocean liners RMS Olympic and RMS Titanic. She is the only surviving vessel designed by Thomas Andrews, who also helped design those two ocean liners and the last White Star Line vessel in existence today. Ayun, so kasi ang Titanic is napakalaki niya para mag-dock siya sa Cherbourg Harbor. So ang ginagawa nila is ito yung mga kumukuha sa mga passengers sa mga docking area to the barko kasi sobrang laki niya, hindi siya pwedeng mag-dock sa docking site. Pakalaki din naman ang pala ng SS Nomadic kasi ito ay 220 feet or 67 meters long overall and 37 feet or 11 meters wide with a gross registered tonnage of 1,273 tons. Imagine mo yun, ang laki din niya. Kukuha lang siya ng mga passengers, parang yun lang yung main niya na kinommission siya to get the passengers from sa docking site to the barko talaga sa Titanic. Imagine niyo yun, itong Nomadic ay merong 4 working decks with various hold spaces beneath. She could carry up to 1,000 passengers when fully loaded. Imagine mo 1,000 passengers, so gaano siya kalaki din, di ba? Yung mga passenger accommodation is consisted of lower and upper deck passenger lounges and open deck areas on the bridge and flying bridge decks. The vessel was divided into first and second class passenger areas, with first class passengers enjoying the 4 areas of the ship. Meron ding small area in the aft end of the lower deck was assigned for overspill of third class passengers from the SS traffic. Sa loob ng SS Nomadic, it was fitted out to a similar standard as the liners Olympic and Titanic, which she was built to serve. As such, she had more luxuries than most tenders of her day, with cushioned benches, tables, porcelain water fountains, sex-specific bathrooms, ano yun? Dito na lang tayo, and buffet bar. She contained ornate decorative joinery and plasterwork, particularly in the first-class lounges of the ship. Wow, ganda! Totoo naman kasi talagang nakita ko talaga. Ang internal niya is na ang interior napakaganda din naman talaga, para talaga siyang luxury ship din talaga, yung mga cruise ship na pangmayaman, alam mo yun. Tapos eto meron silang bar sa loob sa center, which is napakaganda din mga B. So ayun yung SS Nomadic, which wala naman talaga akong idea about sa barkong ito. Nagka-idea lang ako nung pagkakita ko sa ticket na mayroon siyang plus SS Nomadic. So sabi naman, ano yung SS Nomadic? So kaya i-search namin sa Google, yun pala yun, yung tagahatid ng mga passengers sa Titanic. So andito na kami sa labas. Ito yung labas kung saan naka-locate yung SS Nomadic sa Belfast. So ito na yun siya. Connected din siya sa Marina Harbor or sa Belfast. Isa siyang mall dito na seaside. Kaya marami kang makikitang mga private din na boat na maliliit na nakatambay dyan. Tapos, ang ganda niya, from here, makikita mo yun. Ayun yung Titanic Studio Tour. Tapos, ganyan. Kung gusto ko makapasyal kayo dito, lakad-lakarin nyo na rin ang side na to kasi hindi kayo magsisisi. Ang ganda din talaga niya. Ayun mga ka-soldiers, maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Keep on watching. Thank you!